Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a Python program. But of course, to know a Python program and to create one, you need to know the basics of it. So what I'm going to be doing is, if you do not know the basics, I'm going to be linking a website down in the description which can help you with learning of variables, strings, and all the functions like for loops and while loops and if else statements. And I'm going to be using if else statements for this one of my programs that we're going to be looking at. And without further ado, let's begin the video. So for the first program that we're going to create is going to be like the user is going to enter a number of days, and the program is then going to tell them like the number of hours within that time, within the number of days, and the number of the minutes and the seconds, like that. So we're going to be creating a variable called just simple variable like days. Days equals, do input. Then you can do int input, because we're entering number, so we have to enter integer as well, right? You can do input, and then you have to have another bracket. Input, you can enter number of days. Okay, so we created our variable. Then we also need to create another variable like for hours as well, because we need to work out the hours. So hours is simple, you just need to days times 24, because there are 24 hours in a day, and you have to times it by the day number of days. And then you have to do minutes, which equal hours times 60. There are 60 is an hour, and then you do seconds, which equal minutes times 60 times 60. And for times, you always use a star symbol. And then what you do, you then print all of that. You go to print, and you have to do print. So what you have to do first to do is like you can do hours colon, because you need to display like these are the number of hours. So then you can put a comma there, because then we're entering the variable like hours. Then so hours equal, and whatever the number of hours are, it's going to display them there. You have to do print the minutes. So you have to do minutes, then comma, space. You can then you have to enter the variable minutes, and this the variables don't go in speech mark because they aren't text, they're variables. And then print, you have to do the same thing, enter seconds, and comma second, because that's the variable name. And then if I run the program, the number of days are 2. See, it's displaying the hours, like there are 48 hours in 2 days, there are 2,880 minutes in 2 days, and there are 172,800 seconds in 2 days. So this is the first program. Trust me, this is very simple. Like, this is very simple. Trust me, like, you're only using the print function. You're just creating a few variables, and you just have to learn what symbols you have to use to divide, multiply, and that will all be included in the link I'm going to be posting in the description. And if you move on to our second program, which is going to be, so for our second program, basically there's going to be a password for like whatever password, like for a laptop or anything. So this program is going to ask you what is the password. Okay, so, and then if the user, we're going to be using if and else statements in this, but if the user gets the password correct, like, and then the program will say you may enter. Then if the password is incorrect, else, then you have to print incorrect or wrong. So let's create a variable which is going to be like pass, and then we can do, we have to write There's not going to be int this time because it's just going to be text. So you're going to be you have to use brackets first. Then enter password basically. Enter password. Okay. Then we're going to be doing if the variable is equal to, for example, the password can be not at home colon you print correct. You have to add speech marks as well, and then here as well. There you go. But then if it's incorrect, you just write else print wrong. It's as simple as that. One second, something's wrong. So we've added password equal enter password. What did we do wrong? One second. It should not be showing wrong. Let me see. Password equal enter. Okay, we've added brackets. If password equals not. So what if we add this in brackets? I'm not sure. We haven't even typed anything in yet, like password. Oh, we haven't added the input. Okay, that was a very silly mistake, guys. And this correct. Okay, I forgot to add input, which was like, phew. Okay, and then if you enter a wrong password, like home or something, should print incorrect. Yeah, okay, it works now. So sorry, again, home, incorrect, okay. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll meet you in my next video, and I'm going to be linking the website name in the description. Thanks for watching, peace.